Now let's take another look at another deformer. This is the lattice. So just click on your object and go to Deform and go to Lattice. So you see it's created this box around your object, and over here it's just got S, T, and U, basically X, Y, and Z, but different letters. And you can adjust this to add different dimensions to this lattice. So what does this lattice actually do? Basically, the object inside this has to conform to the lattice no matter what. So if you right click it, you see nothing but lattice points in object mode, basically vertices, and that's it. If I start to mess around with vertices on this thing, the castle has to follow suit. It has to bend inside this thing no matter what it does. So you can warp objects in a much more controlled, much more nuanced way, like this. Also, a warning, if you take the object and move it in or out of the lattice, it's going to do some warpy nonsense. And once you're done, you definitely want to delete this thing's history. You see the castle also has FFD1 lattice and FFD1 base. These are the things that form the lattice and allow it to deform the object. Anytime an object has basically another object in its history, it's dependent on something else in the world. You see, if I move the lattice, it tries to take the whole thing with it. The castle moving doesn't quite work out, so you want to be done with this once you've finished. So just Alt-Shift-D to delete your history. Now it no longer remembers the lattice or anything like that, and now it's just raw data.